So this soup here is vegetarian, it's vegan, it's extremely creamy, it's beautiful. This is mushroom, lentil, and fresh basil soup. Fantastic stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in the center there, we've got some mushrooms. There's 3 cups of mushrooms there. And then these are 2 cups each. We've got red lentils, tomato, potato, onion, and a tablespoon of garlic. Now, if you want, you could be adding some thyme, oregano, chili powder, or something like that to that. I'm gonna opt out of that today. I'm gonna keep it just like this. We are gonna put some fresh leaves in at the end. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a large pot or pan. In there, I've got some oil. I'm just using a sunflower oil. It's about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna start off by dropping in the 2 cups of onion, 2 cups of potato, 2 cups of the red lentils, salt, black pepper, and we're on, as you can see just here, an above medium heat, fairly high heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. Really simple, this soup. Just a few minutes there, give that a head start. We're now going to go in with the 2 cups of tomato, tablespoon of garlic, 3 cups of mushrooms. 5 or 6 minutes, stay on this vibrant heat, stirring every now and then. Coming together beautifully. Now, like I said earlier, if you wanted to get some cumin in, get some coriander in, you know, up to you, spice it how you want. For me, just nothing, it's perfect like that. Now I'm going to add water now. There's about 2 pints of water there, which we might adjust anyway as the lentils and the potatoes cook. Once we liquidize this, it might be too thick. If you wanted, use some vegetable stock or something like that. I just went with straight water. Okay, we're going to bring that to the boil. Once it gets to boiling point, we're going to turn the heat down and we're going to let it go for about 10 minutes or so. Red lentils, by the way, cook very quickly, much faster than many other lentils. Okay, so you can see that's been boiling away. The potatoes are soft, the lentils are nice and soft and cooked. We're going to turn the heat off. Now, I'm going to add some basil, quite a lot of fresh basil here. Big handful of that in there. If you want, you could go for parsley or coriander, something like that. Let's give that a little mix first. And then what we're going to do is liquidize that. Now I've got one of these little fellas here, you know, the little. So that's going to go in and we're going to whiz it up. I'll be back in a few minutes. There you go, look at that, super creamy and delicious. Just check the salt level for that. You might want to add a bit more salt. I'm okay, job done. Okay, there you go, beautiful. Creamy, delightful, vegetarian and vegan. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.